Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Amazon Prime Store card to your account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Now to get started, go to your Amazon account, and once you're on the home page, you will find the account and list option in the top right corner. So give it a tap and a drop-down menu will appear. And from there, click on your account option. Now within your account settings, look for the Your Payments option. Click on it and you will be redirected to a page where you can manage your payment methods. If you don't have an Amazon Store card yet, this is also the place where you can apply for one. Now, tap on Add a Payment Method Embed and number of options will be displayed on your screen. Here, click on Add a Credit or Debit Card option and a pop-up will appear on your screen. This step is crucial for inputting the required information, so you will be prompted to enter your Amazon Store card details, including the card number, your name as it appears on the card, expiration date, and security code. Once you fill in all the required fields, just click on Add Card button, and then Amazon may ask for additional verification, like sending a confirmation code to your email or phone. So just follow through with any additional steps. And that's it. Your Amazon Store card is now successfully added to your account. So that's basically how you can add Amazon Prime Store card to your account. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.